Hey guys, Squint here. Alright, so before I sit down and watch a little football today, we're going to try a stock lock for Stock Lock Sunday. You guys can see this is a smart key, Kwikset SmartKey. This is one of the padlocks I got on vacation. See, it works really good. We're going to see if we can get this thing open. There's the keyway. I have never picked a smart key before, but we're going to see if we can do it today. Alright, that's what it's about. Alright, here we go. Alright, we're going to do some top of the keyway. Looks like it'll fit pretty easily. Actually, you know what? Let's see if this will fit. Nope, top of the keyway it is. And we're going to start off, we'll just use, let's see, what do I got laying here? There we go. We'll use this multi-pick DeForest diamond. Alright, back in the back of the lock. A little binding there on 5, small click. 4. A little binding there on 3, he's not wanting to give it up. Let's go to 2, little click. Nothing on 1. 3 still bound up pretty good. There it goes. There we go. We'll click out of 3. 4 again. 5 may be good. Sorry, I got a dog underneath my table and he moved my cords. Okay, now we'll click there. 3, got a small turn on the core on that one. 2. Nothing on 1. Back to the back. There's binding there. Okay, back on 3 again. Trying to let up on the tension. Okay, there we go. Got a little click out of it. Same with 4. Okay. 2. Okay, got a little click there. Four again. Okay, got a little bit more turn on the core. Back on 3. Got a little click, but I might have lost it. I think I let up the tension too much. Alright, there we go. Got my turn back. Maybe I only set it halfway. Get in there. A little bit taller hook. Feels like I gotta be close. Frontal lock feels good. It's that very last pin back there that I'm having some issues with. Everything else feels set. So let's go back to the back again. There we go. I don't think I was under it. There we go. Got a good click out of it that time. I don't know if I'm getting underneath that very last pin. I'll turn there. Come on. A little bit more turn there. Come on. All right, there we go. That pin number 5 is being a booger. There it is. Nice. Kwikset SmartKey. Man, Stock Lock Sunday. Took me about, I don't know, 7 minutes. All right, let's go ahead and crack this thing open so you guys can see what's inside. You guys can see that we are good to go. Oh, well, okay. I guess I'm not cracking this one open. You guys can see that in there. There's no way to get that core out of there. I didn't even check that. Yeah, okay. Yeah, alright guys. Well, you can see Kwikset SmartKey. Not real sure the generation on it. Not sure. If somebody knows what generation these are, I don't know if it's Gen 1, Gen 2, Gen 3. It's a pretty new SmartKey. I don't even know how to tell what generation they are, but if anybody knows, let me know. Chris Aarons, I know you've picked a couple of these. Let me know how to tell if it's Gen 1, 2, or 3. So, cool. Alright guys, well, this is Squint. I appreciate you hanging in there with me. I'll show you the bitting again real quick. That was the key bitting on it. Hopefully you guys can see it. The bitting's the reason I bought this lock, actually. You can see that we're still open, picked open, so show you guys that it works. Gotta get it done. Okay, got it locked back up. We're working still. Alright guys, this is Squint. I appreciate it. I'll be on to the next lock.